Your next topic is electron gain enthalpy. As the name is, electron gain means adding of electron. Okay, electron gain enthalpy. So enthalpy change when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom means when we add an electron to an isolated gaseous atom, then in that case enthalpy changes. Enthalpy changes means that there can be release of energy or there can be absorption of energy. Okay, so when in a process there is a release of energy, then that process is known as exothermic process. Okay, so in exothermic process we will have negative value of electron gain enthalpy, and when in a system there is absorption of energy, then that process is known as endothermic process. Okay, so in that case the electron gain enthalpy will have positive value. Here one thing students you must keep in mind is that there is negative electron gain enthalpy for each and every element of every group except for the 18th group. Basically the 18th group is your noble gases, and all of you know that in case of noble gases the electronic configuration is complete, because of which they are very much stable, and it becomes difficult for us to add an extra electron to an atom of any noble gas. Okay, so in that case we have to provide extra energy to the system so that it can accept the electrons. So that is why electron gain enthalpy in that case have positive value. Now one more thing, 17th group, that is your halogens. Okay, so 17th group halogens have the highest negative value of electron gain enthalpy, means there is a lot of energy released when an extra electron is added to an atom of halogen. This is because halogens need only one electron to complete its outer electronic configuration, so that is why they easily accept the electron by releasing extra amount of energy. Okay, now your electron gain enthalpy depends on two things: nuclear charge and size of the atom. Okay, so nuclear charge means if the nuclear charge will be more, in that case it will accept the electron more easily. That is why to have more negative electron gain enthalpy, the nuclear charge should be also high. Okay, and if the next is the size of atom, and if the size of the atom will be small, then it means that the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus will be less, due to which the extra electron being added to the outermost shell will be easily accepted by the nucleus, and it will attract it more effectively. So that is why the size of the atom should be small if we want to add an extra electron. Okay.